Hello everyone, in this video we'll see some examples on Laplace transforms. Find Laplace transform of f of t, which is equal to 4t square plus sine 3t plus e raised to 2t. So we'll write, consider Laplace transform of f of t, that is equal to Laplace transform of 4t square plus sine 3t plus e raised to 2t. And we already have seen a property, that is linearity. In linearity property, all the terms with plus or minus sign will get separated. So it is Laplace of 4t square plus Laplace of sine 3t plus Laplace of e raised to 2t. And if there are some constants will also come out. So 4 into Laplace of t square plus Laplace of sine 3t plus Laplace of e raised to 2t. And all these are now standard formulae. So we can directly write the answer as 4 into Laplace of t square is 2 factorial upon s raised to 2 plus 1 plus Laplace of sine 3t, which is 3 upon s square plus 9. Laplace of e raised to 2t is 1 upon s minus 2. So finally your answer will be 2 factorial is 2. 2 into 4, 8 upon s cube plus 3 upon s square plus 9 plus 1 upon s minus 2 is the answer of given question, given Laplace transform. Second question, find Laplace transform of sine omega t plus alpha. This is of the form sine a plus b. So we'll first write sine omega t plus alpha. This is sine a plus b form. So we'll write the formula, that is Laplace of sine a plus b, sine a cos b plus cos a into sine b, where alpha is constant. So the term cos alpha, sin alpha both are constant, and as constant they will come out, plus sin alpha into Laplace of cos omega t, that is equal to cos alpha into omega upon s square plus omega square plus sin alpha, Laplace of cos omega is s upon s square plus omega square. This is the answer. We'll take next example. Find Laplace transform of root t plus 1 cube. As this is not in standard form, so I will try to convert it into standard as Laplace of root t plus plus 1 cube. This is a plus b cube, and we'll write the formula of a plus b cube, that is Laplace of a cube plus 3a square, b is 1, plus 3a b square plus b cube, that is equal to Laplace of t raised to half power 3, that is t raised to 3 by 2 plus root t square, that is t, 3t plus root t is nothing but t raised to half, plus 3t raised to half plus 1. So all are now as plus, we will separate them. T raised to 3 by 2 plus 3 constant outside, Laplace of t plus 3 again constant out, Laplace of t raised to half plus Laplace of 1. All are separated. The Laplace of t raised to 3 by 2, that is it is not a positive integer. It is not an integer. So in general formula will apply, that is gamma 3 by 2 plus 1 upon s raised to 3 by 2 plus 1 plus 3 Laplace of t raised to 1, that is 1 factorial upon s raised to 1 plus 1 plus 3 into Laplace of t raised to half now as general, that is 1 half plus 1 gamma upon s raised to 1 half plus 1 plus Laplace of 1 is 1 by s. So it is 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 into root pi upon s raised to 5 by 2 plus 3 upon s square plus 3 into 1 by 2 into root pi upon s raised to 3 by 2 plus 1 upon s is the required answer. Or if you want to simplify, you can simplify it. 3 root pi upon 4 into s raised to 5 by 2 plus 3 upon s square plus 3 root pi upon 2 s raised to 3 by 2 plus 1 upon s. And that will be the required answer, that is in only s. We'll take next example. Find Laplace transform of cos square 2bt. That is, as it is cos square, we have formula for cos only. So we'll try to write it into cos or sine. We know one formula, cos square theta, which is nothing but cos 2 theta plus 1 upon 2. So which is nothing but cos square 2bt will become then Laplace of theta is now 2bt. So it is cos 2 into 2bt plus 1 upon 4. That is equal to Laplace of cos of 4bt plus 1 by 4. And that 1 by 4 is constant, will come out. So 1 by 4 into Laplace of cos 4bt plus 1 by 4 Laplace of 1, that is equal to 1 by 4, as it is cos s upon s square plus 4b bracket square, that is 16b square plus 1 by 4 into Laplace of 1 is 1 by s. And this is a required answer for the given question. Okay, we'll take next example. Find Laplace of e raised to 2t plus 4t cube minus 2 sin t into sin 3t. That is, all are now as plus minus, we'll separate them. So Laplace of e raised to 2t plus 4t cube minus 2 sin t sin 3t is equal to, we'll separate first Laplace of e raised to 2t plus 4 is constant outside, Laplace of t cube minus Laplace of 2 sin t sin 3t. As they are in multiplication, we cannot separate them. So we'll write as Laplace of e raised to 2t plus 4 Laplace of t cube minus Laplace of 2 sin a sin b. We have a formula for that. 2 sin a sin b is nothing but cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. So we'll apply here, which is cos a minus b t minus 3t, that is minus 2t, that is Laplace of cos a minus b t minus 3t minus 2t, and cos of minus theta is cos theta. So it is cos 2t minus cos a plus b t plus 3t 4t. Now it is equal to Laplace of e raised to 2t plus 4 Laplace of t cube minus, now we can separate Laplace of cos 2t minus minus plus Laplace of cos 4t. That is equal to, now we can apply the formula 1 upon s minus 2 plus 4 into 3 factorial upon s raised to 3 plus 1 minus s upon s square plus 4 plus s upon s square plus 4 square, that is 16 is the answer. Next example, evaluate. This is something different type of question. Evaluate integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus 2t sine cube t dt. As such question is there, it is not like find Laplace, it is evaluate. So we have to compare the given question with integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus st f of t dt. The definition of Laplace transform. Comparing, will get s is equal to 2 and f of t is equal to sine cube t. So next job is to find Laplace of f of t. That is a Laplace of sine cube of t. That is sine cube. So that we have to write the formula for sine cube. Formula for sine cube t, we know that it is 3 sine t minus sine 3t upon 4. We'll apply here 3 sine t, Laplace of minus sine 3t upon 4. Since, okay, then we'll separate them. That is, so which is Laplace of sine cube t is nothing but 3 by 4 Laplace of sine t minus 1 by 4 Laplace of sine 3t. Next is Laplace of sine cube t. By definition, it is integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus st into sine cube t dt. For this we have written, and this will write the answer 3 by 4 into Laplace of sine t, that is 3 by 4 into 1 upon s square plus 1 minus 1 by 4 into Laplace of sine 3t, that is 3 upon s square plus 9. Next is, now here is the answer, and finally we have to put s is equal to 2 for the answer as required. So put s is equal to 2, we get integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus 2t sine cube t dt as 3 by 4 into 1 upon 2 square plus 1 minus 3 by 4 into 1 upon 2 square plus 9. That is 3 by 4 into 1 by 5 minus 3 by 4 into 1 by 4 plus 9. That is 3 upon 20 minus 3 by 52, and that is equal to, you can simplify if you want, you can simplify or let it be. This is your answer. Something like 0.1307. Need not to find, you can stop here. Okay. We'll take one more question. Evaluate integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus 3t into t raised to 5 dt. So again, comparing with integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus st f of t dt. S is a 3 and f of t is t raised to 5. Consider Laplace of f of t, that is Laplace of t raised to 5, that is 5 factorial upon s raised to 5 plus 1. But Laplace of t raised to 5 by definition is integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus st f of t dt. F of t is nothing but t raised to 5. It is 5 factorial upon s raised to 6. So finally we'll substitute s as equal to 3 in this. We'll get integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus 3t t raised to 5 dt will be 5 factorial upon 3 raised to 6 as the answer. If you want to simplify more, you can. We'll move to the next properties of second property of Laplace transform, that is change of scale. The first property was linearity, second is change of scale. The theorem says if Laplace transform of f of t is f of s, then Laplace of f of at, if t is replaced by at, then it will be 1 upon a f of s upon a. Remember this. On that we'll take one question. If Laplace of f of t is 2s upon s square plus 4, find Laplace of f of 2t. Given Laplace of f of t is 2s upon s square plus 4 and we have to find Laplace of f of 2t. So by change of scale t is replaced by 2t, so we will have to write, given Laplace of f of t is this, that is nothing but f of s. This is your f of s. Then we have to apply the definition, that is 1 upon a is here 2, so 1 upon 2 into f of s upon a, wherever is s, this is your f of s, we'll have to replace s by a, that is this is 1 upon a into f of s upon a, that is 2 into s by 2 upon s by 2 square plus 4. 2 get cancelled, that is s upon that 1 by 2 as it is, s square by 4 plus 4, that is 1 by 2 s upon s square plus 16 upon 4, and that 4 will go to the numerator, to 2s, that is equal to 2s upon s square plus 16 will be the answer by using change of scale theorem. We'll take one more. If Laplace of f of t is equal to log s plus 3 upon s plus 1, find Laplace of f of 2t. Again we can see it is nothing but change of scale theorem. So given thing we'll write, given that Laplace of f of t is log s plus 3 upon s plus 1. Therefore, by change of scale theorem, we get Laplace of f of 2t is equal to 1 upon a is 2, and wherever is s, we'll write s by 2. So s by 2 plus 3 upon s by 2 plus 1, and if we'll simplify it, we'll get log s plus 6 by 2 and s plus 2 by 2, 2 to get cancelled. This will be the answer. We'll take one more. If Laplace of f of t is 2 upon s cube into e raised to minus s, then find Laplace of f of 2t. All are now 2t, will take 3t, f of 3t. It is given Laplace of f of t is 2 upon s cube e raised to minus s. Therefore, by change of scale, Laplace of f of 3t is equal to 1 upon 3 into wherever is s will replace by s by 3 into e raised to minus s by 3. That is 1 by 3, 2 upon s cube upon 3 cube, 27 into e raised to minus s by 3. That is 27 by 3 into 2 by s cube into e raised to minus s by 3. 9. 18 by s cube into e raised to minus s by 3 will be the answer.